Anyone who has dealt with painting ceilings knows how much strain it puts on the arms. New technologies, with the use of exoskeletons, have come to the rescue. It's pleasing to watch with what diligence the master creates patterns, and with what precision they apply paint, creating a unified composition of the overall style. A new way of creativity is to create paintings using a jackhammer, gradually chiseling parts of the wall on a gray background. Fearless electricians from China risk their lives to maintain power lines in working condition. Here's what house painting looks like in fast-forward mode. Now you understand how to properly organize the process for this event. Any self-respecting homeowner should create a perfect green lawn in their backyard. When it comes to finishing work, women handle it more qualitatively. A wall made of natural stone protects the main structure from the external environment. Remember, there are no right or wrong ways to create art design. The main thing is that it reflects your individuality and brings joy. Even when logging trees, you can do without heavy machinery if you apply resourcefulness and ingenuity. Repairing a high-voltage power line is a complex process, but this master has such a high skill level that he can do it in beach slippers. Sometimes construction workers have to combine both work and acrobatic skills for successful building. Burning logs significantly strengthens the surface layer of wood and extends its service life. There should always be someone to help in a situation when you can't handle it alone, and will move you along the wall. Wood imitation on different surfaces always looks great. Before painting signs on the road, this master mastered calligraphic skills to perfection. A team of 5 people can easily lay paving tiles throughout your yard in just one day. Here's a life hack on how to easily remove old tiles from the wall using a blowtorch. Looking at this guy, you get the feeling that he built the house using only his own strength and skills. Even with full automation of the process, sometimes you have to give it a manual push. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.